Retractable extension cords are essential for safely powering multiple devices while reducing clutter and providing flexible, convenient reach at home or office. My today's video is about top 5 best retractable extension cord that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vever Retractable Extension Cord. The Vever 45-foot heavy-duty retractable cord reel is a robust and versatile solution for powering tools and devices safely and efficiently. Featuring a 12 AWG/3C Stow 45-foot cord with a 4.5-foot lead-in, it is built to withstand extreme temperatures, 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 221 degrees Fahrenheit, water, oil, acids, alkalis, and ozone, making it ideal for demanding home, commercial, and industrial environments. The automatic retractable system ensures smooth cord retraction without kinks or tangles, while the ratchet locks the cord at any desired length, complemented by an adjustable cord stopper for convenient access. Its high-quality PP case, lighted triple output, and 15A built-in circuit breaker enhance safety and usability, allowing multiple tools to operate simultaneously even in low-light conditions. The cord reel mounts easily on walls or ceilings with a 180-degree swivel bracket, saving space and providing flexible reach. Perfect for garages, workshops, construction sites, and outdoor projects, it delivers dependable power for drills, circular saws, work lights, and more. Now our second product is Duanwell's Retractable Extension Cord. The 50-foot heavy-duty retractable cord reel is a reliable and versatile power solution for garages, workshops, and home projects. Featuring a durable 14 AWG/3C Stow cord rated at 13A divided by 125V divided by 1625W, it includes a 50-foot extension with a 4.5-foot lead-in and a triple outlet with a lighted indicator for easy visibility in dim areas. The SJTOW cord is specially designed to resist water, oil, UV light, ozone, and acids, while remaining flexible in low temperatures, making it suitable for demanding indoor or dry location environments. Its automatic retractable mechanism prevents kinks and tangles, while the ratchet locks the cord at any length, supported by an adjustable stopper for convenience. The 180-degree swivel mounting bracket allows effortless wall or ceiling installation, enabling cord pull and release from multiple directions. Built-in 13A circuit breaker safeguards connected devices from overloads and short circuits, automatically cutting power when necessary, with a simple reset for continued operation. Durable, safe, and highly functional, this cord reel is ideal for powering multiple tools efficiently. Our third product is Flexilla Retractable Extension Cord. The Zillagreen heavy-duty retractable cord reel is a dependable and versatile power solution for home, garage, or workshop use. Featuring a lighted triple tap outlet and integrated power indicator, it provides ample capacity while the built-in circuit breaker with reset button protects against overloads, preventing trips and blown fuses. The 14/3 AWG Stow cord is oil-resistant, flexible in low temperatures, and resistant to water and sunlight, ensuring durability in tough indoor environments. A 5-foot lead-in cord with grounded plug adds convenience, while the adjustable cord stopper locks the cord in 1-foot increments, keeping outlets always within reach. The 180-degree swivel mounting bracket allows effortless installation on walls or ceilings, enabling smooth cord pull and release in the direction of your work. Rated at 13A, 125V, 1625W, and 60 Hz, and keyless listed for safety, this Zillagreen retractable cord reel combines reliability, practicality, and durability, making it ideal for powering multiple tools or devices efficiently in dry, indoor locations. Now number 4, Trond Retractable Extension Cord. The retractable travel power strip with USB-C and USB-A is a compact, versatile, and travel-ready solution for powering multiple devices simultaneously. Equipped with 3 AC outlets, 2 USB-C ports, 3A max each, and 1 USB-A port, 2.4A max, it supports up to 6 devices with a combined USB output of 3.4A/17W, making it ideal for nightstands, home offices, or on-the-go setups. The retractable 5-foot flat power cord allows smooth partial or full extension, reducing clutter and simplifying storage, while its compact, round design fits easily into luggage. The ultra-flat 0.33-inch plug with a 45 degrees angled design enables snug wall placement without blocking other outlets or disrupting decor. Cruise-approved with no surge protection, it ensures compliance for onboard use while still delivering safe, practical power. Made from flame-retardant UL94V0 PC and ABS materials and featuring an independent control switch, this power strip combines durability, convenience, and reliability, making it a must-have accessory for travel, home, or office environments. And our last choice is Black Plus Decker Retractable Extension Cord. The Black Plus Decker 25 feet retractable extension cord reel is a practical and versatile solution for powering devices anywhere in your home. Featuring a heavy-duty 16 AWG cable rated for 10A divided by 125V divided by 1250W, it supports small appliances, tools, and electronics with ease. The retractable design includes 4 grounded outlets and 2 USB ports, 2.1A, along with an on-off switch, allowing safe and convenient power access in apartments, offices, or compact spaces. A built-in circuit breaker provides essential protection, automatically cutting power if the current or voltage exceeds safe limits, safeguarding your devices. Its tangle-free cord retractor with a smooth rewind will keep the 25-foot extension cord neatly organized and ready for use at any time. Compact and lightweight, the reel features a unique handle for easy storage and portability. ETL certified and backed by a 3-year warranty, this Black Plus Decker retractable cord reel combines reliability, safety, and convenience, making it an indispensable tool for home, workshop, or small space power management. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.